Obviously, firstly, I want to congratulate Portugal on their win. Great victory. Played very well in the first half. We didn't take our chances, finally got the lead, and then they stuck it in and got the try at the end. So, firstly, congratulations to them. Obviously, disappointed to lose the game, but qualification for the quarterfinals is no small feat. The last time we qualified for the quarterfinals was 2007. So very happy to be there, but we've got a lot of work to do this week.
Okay, please.
Simon, can you put your finger on what the shortcomings were today, where the areas where you were struggling as a side?
I think in the first half we obviously we had our chances to release the ball wide, and we didn't get it wide. I think still too many drop balls in contact, putting the pressure back on ourselves. And obviously Portugal took their chances and got scoreboard pressure on us. And thought we'd done enough at the end to get it, but they kept on going and got their try at the end. So number of things to work on. Similar, I thought there were some good areas today. Yeah, but we've got to get those basics right. Couple lost set piece as well. The line out puts you under pressure. Ball going back into our territory. So yeah, there was a number of things.